Okay, the operation that I carry out with Concept Facelift typically depends on individuals, depends whether they need a neck procedure or eyelid procedure, that they can combine it together. But on the whole, a facelift procedure takes about 2 to 2.5 hours. Now, you will find that some surgeons will take 6 or 8 hours. It really comes down to individual surgeons, but typically the more people perform facelifts, the more familiar they are with the anatomy through repetition, through the practice of doing it more frequently, you tend to do more of them. Typically, in my practice, I do about 10 to 12 facelifts a week, and naturally, it comes very quickly in order of sequence of things that you need to do. Often people worry that just because it's done quicker, that it's not done properly, but actually we pay care and attention to every patient, and we don't compromise on the quality of the work by trying to perform them sooner. And one of the typical things that we do, and I tell patients, is the sutures that we use are absorbable. They take longer to do because they leave a much finer scar, as opposed to doing as a non-absorbable suture that can leave the marks on the outer part of the skin, which can be quite unsightly. So typically the time is not as relevant because it varies down to the individual surgeon, but it's really more about how often do they perform it. And it's important for patients to find out the kind of work that that surgeon does, look at the before and after pictures of their past patients, and be asked to be allowed to be put in touch with other patients who've undergone the procedure, so they can truly understand what the process involves.